How do we find the three partial derivatives to this multivariable function? In order to take a partial derivative, let's say here, we differentiate with respect to x and we treat y and z, basically anything that is not x, as a constant. So I'll refer to this as the first part, this is the second part, and this is the third part. So let's find the partial f partial x. In the first part, the derivative of x squared is 2x, and we just multiply the y because it's a constant. In the second part, there's no x, so it just becomes 0. And in the third part, we have e to the z times x. So I would just imagine z as any number. So let's say we have e to the 2x, the derivative of that is just 2e to the 2x. So in this case, the derivative is just ze to the zx. Okay, let's do partial f partial y. So differentiate with respect to y and treat x and z as constants. In the first part, the derivative of y is just 1 and x squared is a constant, so we just write it down. In the second part, again, the derivative of y is just 1, so we're just gonna have sine z. And in the third part, there's no y, so it just becomes 0. Finally, partial f partial z. In the first part, there's no z, so it becomes 0. In the second part, we differentiate sine z, which is cosine z, and we just attach a y because it's a fixed number or a constant. And in the third part, just imagine that x is any number, so differentiating that is just going to give us x e to the zx. And that's how we find all partials of this multivariable function.